Hi, in this video I will be showing you how IBM Rational Test Workbench can be used to automate the functional testing of native and hybrid mobile apps on iOS devices. First, you install the Workbench component on a Windows or Linux workstation. The Rational Test Workbench component is an Eclipse-based integrated development environment for developing and running automated functional mobile tests. Native or hybrid apps for the iOS platform are built from the Apple Xcode integrated development environment on the Macintosh platform. Here you see my JKE Banking sample app project in Xcode. I have been manually testing this app on the iOS simulator and on a physical iPhone device, and would now like to prepare it for testing with the Rational Test Workbench. Native and hybrid mobile apps are prepared for testing by compiling them with libraries that enable the applications for testing. Rational Test Workbench provides a set of build scripts or a build kit for this purpose. I used my web browser on the Mac to download the build kit from Rational Test Workbench and expand it on my hard drive. In a command shell, I point the build script at the Xcode project. I also provide the URL of my Rational Test Workbench server. At the end of the build process, the instrumented app is uploaded to the Rational Test Workbench and is added to the list of known mobile applications in Rational Test Workbench. To begin testing with the app, I browse to the web-based mobile test client from the Safari or Chrome browser on my iOS device. I use the mobile test client to install testable apps, record tests, run tests, and review test results. Here I am installing the JKE Mobile Hybrid app. I select the app in the Manage Web Applications page and click Record to begin the recording process. I log into the app and navigate to the Transactions page for my checking account. I exit and log out. I then press the device's Home button to end the recording. The recording is immediately uploaded to Rational Test Workbench, where I generate the test review transactions. The recorded actions are captured in a natural language test, not in computer code. Each action identifies the related objects on the application. Elements on the screen are not simply based on coordinates or visual recognition techniques, they are recognized as objects. This means playback against future builds will be robust against object relocation and visual changes. Each action also includes a screen capture from the device. The screen capture is not simply an image file, however. The screen capture is object-aware, providing capabilities such as adding verification points. Here I will verify that the greeting at the top of the page is as expected. Note also that verification points can be added for non-visible object properties from the Properties view, or even for non-visible objects from the Elements Hierarchy view. I now want to run my test on the iOS device. I go back to the web-based mobile test client on the device, open Managed Applications, the JKE Mobile JQ app, and select the Review Transactions test. I run the test and watch as Rational Test Workbench performs the test on my iOS device. Upon completion, the test report can be viewed on the device and on Rational Test Workbench. Thanks for watching this brief demonstration of how Rational Test Workbench is used to test mobile applications on iOS devices. Rational Test Workbench provides many more capabilities such as data-driven tests, controlling tests on remote devices, and advanced test features like looping and decision trees. You can learn more about these and other features at ibm.com or by contacting IBM.